In order to make effective use of the Reputation app, your business needs reviews. You can send review requests directly to any of your contacts within DashClicks by following this process. From within the Reputation app, click on Request Review here. Then click Send Review Request. Choose whether you wish to send an email, SMS message, or both. Then click Continue. Select the contact you wish to send it to. And if you need to add a new contact, you can do so here. Be aware that you will need either an email or a phone number depending on the type of message you wish to send. Click Continue. Finally, you'll see how many credits you're about to use before sending the request. Click Continue. Congratulations, you have successfully sent out your review requests. If you want to see the message they're about to receive, you can do so by clicking on this icon here that reads Preview Review Page.